Are you struggling to keep track of your sales opportunities? Introducing Capsule CRM, your all-in-one sales solution. With our pipeline dashboard, you can easily view and manage all sales opportunities in one place. Track progress with our Kanban visual pipeline, and adapt to any market with multiple customizable pipelines. Stay organized with automated task management. Create tasks, receive reminders, and see everything in a convenient calendar view. What makes Capsule stand out? We provide seamless email integration with tools like Gmail and Outlook, ensuring all your communications are centralized. Don't miss out on the chance to revolutionize your sales approach. Sign up for Capsule CRM today, and take control of your success.